Analyzing problems and generating solutions is a critical part of the problem-solving process, requiring both logical examination and creative thinking. Root cause analysis helps to get to the heart of an issue by identifying the underlying cause, rather than just addressing surface-level symptoms. One effective technique for root cause analysis is the 5 whys, where the problem solver continually asks why a situation occurs until the fundamental cause is revealed. This method helps uncover deep-seated issues that might not be immediately apparent and encourages a thorough investigation of the problem. Another useful tool is the fishbone diagram, also known as the cause and effect diagram. This visual method helps in systematically categorizing potential causes of problems, branching them into major categories such as people, processes, equipment, or materials. By mapping out potential causes in this way, it becomes easier to see patterns and connections that might lead to the root of the issue. Once the root cause has been identified, creative problem-solving techniques come into play to generate potential solutions. Brainstorming is one of the most popular methods used to think through multiple solutions. The aim is to create a flow of ideas without initial judgment, allowing creativity to lead to potentially innovative solutions. In brainstorming sessions, it is important to allow freedom for unconventional ideas, as these can often lead to breakthroughs. The process can be done individually or in groups, but the focus should be on quantity and diversity of ideas first, rather than evaluating their feasibility. Lateral thinking is another technique that encourages individuals to break away from traditional linear thinking patterns and consider problems from different perspectives. Unlike logical reasoning, lateral thinking involves looking at a problem sideways, considering unconventional approaches and exploring unlikely connections. This method is particularly useful when traditional solutions have failed to address a problem. Lateral thinking opens up new possibilities by breaking free from rigid patterns of thought, enabling a more open and exploratory approach to problem solving. Mind mapping is a tool that combines both logical structure and creative exploration. It involves creating a visual representation of a problem by placing the central issue at the core of the map and branching outwards with possible causes, ideas, and solutions. Mind mapping helps in organizing thoughts in a way that is flexible yet structured, allowing connections to emerge naturally. It is particularly helpful for visual learners or those who prefer to see the entire problem and solution space laid out in a nonlinear manner. This approach often leads to innovative solutions by highlighting relationships between different elements of a problem that might not have been apparent with more linear approaches. Together, these techniques, root cause analysis, brainstorming, lateral thinking, and mind mapping, create a comprehensive approach to analyzing problems and generating solutions. Root cause analysis ensures that problem solvers are addressing the correct issue, while creative techniques allow for a wide range of possible solutions. By combining these approaches, individuals and teams can move from identifying the problem to implementing practical and effective solutions in a more thoughtful, innovative, and structured way.